Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Chroma key to remove the green screen on videos, in CapCut PC. So select the green screen you want to add. I'm just going to use some from the CapCut library. So you're just going to select the video, go to cutout, press on Chroma key, select the color picker and select the green bit and adjust the strength. And you can also adjust the shadow. I'm going to then add it to the second track, and I'm going to go to local, and I'm going to, for instance, add in a video here. Let's see, which one do I want to add? Maybe like this one. And as you can see, it deleted the background. It's better if you have like something before that, and you can also add in shadows because it might remove some stuff like this. And it's great to add in a little bit of shadow. And you can do this to basically any green screen. Say like this one. Getting into chroma key, select the green part, adjust the strength. You can add in a little bit of shadow if you like to as well. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!